The day is done. The work is finished. The noise of the world has faded away. You have arrived at your place of rest. Welcome to Path of Light. Tonight we are going to let go of everything that happened today. We are going to let go of the stress, the conversations, the worries, and the lists of things to do. None of that matters right now. Right now, there is only you in the presence of God. I want you to get as comfortable as you can. Adjust your pillows. Pull the blanket up to your chin. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth. Feel your body getting heavy. Unclench your jaw. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. Unfurrow your brow. Let your muscles melt into the mattress. You are safe here. God is watching over this room. Listen now to the most comforting words ever written. Let them wash over your mind like warm water. Let them silence every anxious thought. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Think about that. The Creator of the stars is your shepherd. He is responsible for you. Because He is guiding you, you lack nothing. You don't need to figure it all out tonight. The shepherd is on duty. He makes me lie down in green pastures. Imagine a soft green field. The sun is warm. The air is fresh. It is the perfect place to rest. God is inviting you to lie down in His peace. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul. Feel your soul being restored right now, like a battery being recharged. The weariness is leaving you. The strength is returning, gently and quietly. He guides me along the right paths for His name's sake. You don't have to worry about the future. You don't have to worry about making the wrong choice. He is guiding you. Trust His direction. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You might be in a dark valley right now, but you are not alone. The shepherd is walking right beside you. His presence is your protection. No evil can touch you when you are this close to Him. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Blessings are coming to you. Overflow is coming to you. Rest in the knowledge that God is generous. Surely your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Goodness and love, not stress and worry. Goodness and love are chasing you down. They are following you into your dreams tonight. Heavenly Father, I pray for the person listening to this. Cover them with your feathers. Let the sound of the rain remind them that you wash away all things. Let their sleep be deep, sweet, and healing. Send your angels to guard the four corners of this house. No nightmares, no insomnia, only peace. Drift off now. Float on the promises of God. You are safe. You are loved. You are home. Good night, child of God. Sleep well.